Today we're going to be demonstrating how to create a custom color using the blender marker. For supplies, we have the Spectra AD blender, as well as the colors we're going to blend. You'll also need a non-porous surface, such as a sheet of acetate, for your color mixing. For paper, we're going to use and recommend AD marker coated marker paper. It has a bright white ultra smooth surface with a coating that's feather resistant to keep marker lines crisp. The built-in ink block panel will protect the other sheets from any bleed through or pressure indentation. On a sheet of acetate, draw swatches of 2 colors you would like to blend. Use the blender marker like a paintbrush by taking a little color from each swatch and mixing it. Use your custom color on your artwork. Because acetate is non-porous, the marker ink will sit on the surface. You can continue to reactivate your custom color swatch using the blender. We'll need to clean our blender nib to create another color. To do this, simply do a small scribble until the ink runs clear. Repeat the process of swatching your colors and mixing with the blender to create as many custom colors as you would like.